Chapter 10, Case 3, Aloha Properties. Print a profit and loss budget overview report for the 2-month period ending in February 2014. I did this by going to Reports, Budgets and Forecasts, selecting Budget Overview, and then selecting the profit and loss by account for 2014, and then clicking next, and then you'd hit finish. And then change the dates up here, customize the report, unselect date prepared, time prepared, and report basis, add your name to the extra footer line, hit OK, and then memorize. And then click OK, and that is how you do the profit and loss budget overview. The next report is a profit and loss budget versus actual report. I did this by going to Reports, Budgets and Forecasts, and then selecting Budget versus Actual. Select Profit and Loss by Account, click Next, and then hit Finish. And then change the date up here. And then go to Customize the Report, unselect date, prepared, time prepared, report basis, add your name to the extra footer line, then click OK. And go ahead and memorize the report. Select your name, then click OK. And that is how you do a profit and loss budget versus actual for the 2-month period ending in February 2014. The next report is a balance sheet budget overview. And I did this by going to Reports, Budgets and Forecasts, selecting Budget Overview, and then making sure it's on Balance Sheet by Account for 2014, which it is. Click Next, and then hit Finish. And then you change the date up here, and you want it for February 28, 2014. Customize the report, unselect date prepared, time prepared, and report basis. Add your name to the extra footer line, and click OK. Memorize. And then save it under your name and click OK. Then finally, the next report is a balance sheet budget versus actual report for February 28, 2014. And this was done by going to Reports, Budgets and Forecasts, and then selecting Budget versus Actual. Select the balance sheet by account for 2014, clicking Next, and then hit Finish. And then change the dates up here, customize the report, unselect date prepared, time prepared, and report basis, add your name to the extra footer line, and click OK. And go ahead and memorize the report, click OK. And that is how you do Chapter 10, Case 3.